Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docents DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of Coca-Cola, one of the most recognizable brands in the world. But how did Coca-Cola become America's favorite drink? What's the story behind this iconic beverage that has captured the hearts of millions? Let's explore its incredible journey. The story begins in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia, where a pharmacist named Dr. John Stith Pemberton created a syrup that he believed could cure headaches and other ailments. Pemberton's original formula combined coca leaf extract and cola nut, which provided a refreshing and stimulating effect. The syrup was mixed with carbonated water, creating a fizzy drink that quickly gained popularity. Coca-Cola was initially sold at Jacob's Pharmacy for just 5 cents a glass. Pemberton's partner, Frank M. Robinson, came up with the name Coca-Cola, inspired by the drink's two main ingredients. Robinson also designed the famous script logo that is still used today. After Pemberton's death, Asa Candler, a businessman with a vision, took control of the company and aggressively marketed Coca-Cola to the public. Candler's innovative marketing strategies included distributing coupons for free samples and placing Coca-Cola advertisements everywhere, from billboards to newspapers. His efforts paid off, and by the end of the 19th century, Coca-Cola had become a household name across the United States. In 1899, Coca-Cola began bottling its product, allowing it to be sold far beyond the soda fountains of Atlanta. The iconic contour bottle, introduced in 1915, became a symbol of the brand, making Coca-Cola instantly recognizable around the world. By the early 20th century, Coca-Cola was not just a drink, it was a cultural phenomenon. During World War II, Coca-Cola cemented its place in American culture by providing free drinks to U.S. soldiers overseas. The company built bottling plants near military bases, ensuring that American troops had a taste of home wherever they went. This gesture not only boosted morale, but also expanded Coca-Cola's global presence. Over the decades, Coca-Cola continued to innovate and expand its product line, introducing new flavors and diet versions to cater to changing tastes. Today, Coca-Cola is enjoyed in more than 200 countries, and its iconic red and white logo remains a symbol of refreshment and happiness. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know how Coca-Cola went from a small pharmacy drink to becoming America's favorite beverage and a global icon. Don't forget to subscribe to Docents DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.